Welcome back to Math Pathways. Today we're going to be looking at the Edexcel sample paper 3, which is the 2015 one. And we're going to be looking at question 14, which says the total weight of 3 tins of beans and 4 jars of jam is 2,080 grams. The total weight of 5 tins of beans is 2,000 grams. Work out the weight of 1 tin of beans and the weight of 1 jar of jam. Now, when doing this question, I'm just going to call it B for the beans and J for the jam, just so it's a little bit quicker. So the first thing that I would do is I would try to calculate what 1 tin of beans would be equal to. And we can do that by looking at the second sentence there, which is 5 tins of beans is 2,000 grams. So I can say that 5b equals 2,000 grams. Now, if we were to just work out what 1 would be, we would have to divide this one by 5. And we would do the same on the other side in order to work out what 1 tin of beans would be equal to. So you can see that that would be 400 grams. Now, we can look at the first sentence that they had, which is 3 tins of beans and 4 jars of jam is 2,080 grams. So we can put that in now. So 3b plus 4j equals 2,080 grams. Now, we already worked out what b is equal to, or the beans, which is 400 grams. So we can substitute that in straight away. So remember, 3b just means 3 times b. So it'll be the same as doing 3 times 400, which we'll look at in a second. So if we do 3 times 400, that gives us 1,200 plus 4j. The reason we're keeping the 4j the same at the minute is because we don't have a value of j, and that's what we're going to calculate now. So what we can do is we can minus 1,200 from both sides. Remember, whatever you do to one side, you need to do to the other. And that leaves you with 4j equals 880. And if we then go to work out what j is equal to, we would need to divide by 4 to get there. So do the same on the other side. So that gives you 220. So that would be your final answer. 400 grams for the beans and 220 for the jam. Thanks for watching. If that was helpful, just drop a like and subscribe. And if there's any other questions that you'd like me to go through, just comment them down below and I'll go through them in my next video. Thank you.